Hello students, let us continue the session on integers. In yesterday's session, I had mentioned some of the questions to be solved. Hope you must have done that. Let us cross-check your answer. All the even numbered questions I had given it for homework. Second one is positive 15 subtracted from negative 21. So this can be written as minus 21 minus positive 15. I'll change it into addition question. This becomes negative 15. Remember, this positive 15, I need to change the sign. It becomes negative 15 when I am adding. When same signed integers or like integers are added, we take the same sign and we add the absolute values. The absolute value is 21 and 15. When they are added, we get it as 36. For the fourth one, minus 10 from positive 25. So 25 minus of minus 10. Once again, I'll change the sign of the second number by converting it to addition question. The right answer is 35. Sixth one, 7 from negative 15. So minus 15 minus, it is a positive number. Now I need to change that into a negative number since I am making it as an addition question. So the like terms are added with the absolute values. We get the result as negative 22. So for the second one, the answer is negative 36. For the fourth one, the answer is positive 35. For the sixth one, the answer is positive 22. Next one is question number 8. In the question 8, we need to subtract negative 7 from positive 15. So 15 minus 7. Now I'll change it to addition question. It becomes 15 plus 7. The right answer is 22. The answer for the 8th one is also 22. 10th question, minus 80 from 0. So 0 minus 80. Changing into addition question, it becomes positive 80. So the right answer is positive 80. 12th one, minus 59 from negative 100. So negative 100 minus 59. This will be negative 100 plus 59. Because I am changing this subtraction question into addition question by changing the sign of the next number. When unlike integers are there, we need to subtract and take the sign of the larger absolute value. So minus 41 is the answer for the 12th one. Now question 14. Question, we need to subtract 63 from negative 63. So it is written as negative 63 minus 63. This minus, I need to change it as an addition question. So adding, I'll change the sign. So these are like integers. So minus sign should be retained and we need to add the absolute value. 63 plus 63 is 126. So negative 126 is the answer for 14th question, negative 126. Now the last question, 16th, minus 55 subtracted from positive 55. So 55 minus minus 55. Now I'll change into addition question, plus I'll change the sign of this integer. I'll get the result as positive 110. Positive 110 is the answer for the 16th one. Hope you all must have done it. Please cross check it. If you have made a mistake, rectify. It's always better to learn with your own mistakes. Now let us solve some more questions related to subtraction. Question is, subtract the following integers. Here, direct question is given 8 minus 9, the same as 8 added to negative 9. So the result is negative 1, because I need to subtract the absolute values and take the sign of the larger absolute value. So negative 5, I'll write this as plus minus 9. Both are having the like signs, so retain the same sign and add their absolute values. Absolute values and added, it becomes 14. Now I'll change the sign of this second integer, minus 8, it becomes positive 8. So 14 is the answer. Same way, minus 4, I'll change the sign of the second integer. Here it is minus 6. When it is changed, it becomes plus 6. Unlike sign, we need to subtract and take the sign of the larger absolute value. So positive 6 minus 4 is 2. How do we solve this? First let us solve minus 2 minus of minus 4. So minus 2, it becomes plus 4, because I am changing the subtraction question to addition question. So the result obtained is a positive 2, because larger absolute value is a positive integer. Then with this result, I need to do this remaining part. So 2, I'll change into addition question. So the result obtained is 8. Sixth one, I'll take this separately, then I'll compile. So positive 18 minus of minus 12. I'll change into addition question by changing the sign of this number. So I'll get it as 30. When 6 minus of minus 9 is done, 6 is added to the additive inverse of minus 9 is plus 9. So 15. Final result is 30. Then I need to take this sign here, minus 15. Once again, I'll change into addition question. So larger absolute value is positive number. Positive 15 is the right answer. Most of you may get doubt in these two questions. Please write them and solve without looking at video. You will write once again the question and solve them, then only you will be perfect. Next type of question is fill in the blank. These are the questions. First one, minus 9 minus which number should be considered here so that the result obtained is 15. minus 9 minus some number gives 15. This way of solving you will learn in class 7th. Still, I am going to tell you how do we do that. This method is called as transposing. When negative 9 is there in the left hand side, this part is called as left hand side. This part is called as right hand side. When minus 9 is transposed, taking this side is called as transpose. When minus 9 is transposed to the right hand side, the sign should be changed. So we get negative x as 15 plus 9. Here we have negative x. To get only x, what I can do is I can multiply both the side of this equation with minus 1. I'll get the result as minus 23. Let me verify that. When negative 9 minus of minus 23 is there, this subtraction question I can change into addition question and change the sign of this second integer. These are unlike integers, so from the larger subtract the smaller and consider the sign of the larger absolute value. So I'll get the result as positive 15, which is right. Hope you have understood it now. Let us solve the second one. In the second one, minus 17 minus a number should give the result as negative 4. So negative that number equal to minus 4 plus 17. Here is a negative integer added to a positive integer. We need to subtract the absolute values and take the sign of the larger absolute value. So positive 17 minus 4, which is 13. So minus x is equal to 13. So the value of x is minus 13. So minus 13. Can you tell the answer for the third one? If you take this number to be negative 12, this negative 12 if it is taken, this subtraction problem, when I change into addition problem, it becomes minus 9 plus 12. So these are unlike integers. Take the sign of the larger absolute value and then do subtraction. You'll be getting positive 3. The answer for the fourth one is minus 42. You can cross check it. The answer for the fifth one is negative 12. The answer for the sixth one is minus 15. The answer for this is minus 27. The answer for this is positive 27. The answer here is negative 5. The answer for this is positive 8. You can cross check the answers which are highlighted here. Negative 42, negative 12, negative 15, negative 27, positive 27, negative 5, positive 8. What you must do is convert every subtraction problem into an addition problem and then solve. Now we will be solving one more type of question, fill in the blank. To subtract -8 from 16, we add dash to 16 when -8 is to be subtracted from 16, we are going to add a changed sign, which is +8. So +8 is the right answer. To subtract 8 from -16, we add dash to -16. We add its inverse. The inverse of 8 is -8. The opposite of a negative integer is a positive integer. If a and b are two integers, then a plus b is also an integer. You can see in all the examples, whenever we are adding two integers, we get another integer. This property is called as a closure property. We say that the set of integers is closed under addition and also under subtraction, because when we do a minus b, we get a number that is also an integer. Each time we add or subtract, we get integer again. This property is called as closure property. I'll be giving a small assignment. You can see the description below. I am giving the link of a Google Drive. You can access the file and you can practice these questions. That's all for today's session. Thank you.